Hello everyone, in this video we will see Squibler tutorial and how to write your novel faster. Squibler is an online writing tool made to help you write novels, screenplays, and other stories quickly and in an organized way. If you want to write your novel faster, first go to the Squibler website and create a free account. Once you log in, you'll see the dashboard. Click on New Document or choose from a template like novel, short story, or screenplay. Give your project a name and click Create. Now you can start building your story using the plot section. You can create scenes and chapters in order. This helps you stay organized and lets you write one part at a time. To stay focused, set a word time or time goal. Squibler tracks your daily progress so you can see how much you've written. You can also use the split screen view to see your notes and outline while writing. This way, you can keep track of your characters, settings, or key points without switching tabs. As you write, Squibler provides basic editing tools to help you stay on track. You can always come back later to fix grammar and make final changes. Once your novel is ready, you can export it as a PDF, Word document, or share it with others directly from the platform. Don't worry about being perfect on the first try. Squibler is made to help you write fast and edit later. Just start writing one scene at a time. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this.